All right, welcome back to another episode of the Black Bullion Show for goldandsilvertoday.com. Check that website out, everybody. So according to the World Gold Council, gold ETF investment increased in September from the prior month. Now, this makes sense since prices dipped significantly in August. It was almost advantageous to take advantage of, that dip. But honestly, one region in particular really turned things around in September from August. So who was it? Find out shortly. But first, if you're new to this channel, please hit that big red subscribe button right down below. Also, please hit the like button. Helps to get this economic evangelism right on out there to the masses to bring more people into precious metals. Okay, so here we have the latest report from the World Gold Council. Gold ETF investment demand continued in Q3. Okay, so let's scroll down to see what's going on. Okay, so let me just, there we go. So the second to last bar here that you see actually represents the month of August. Now in August, we had diminished investment pretty much all around, with Europe actually selling a decent amount of gold ETFs. So it's actually not too much of a surprise to see them kind of get back in the game here in September. And as you can see, we've had more investment in September than we did in August. But take a look here, where Europe in August were pretty much sellers. They became, among some of the leading buyers of gold ETFs in September, which is pretty good. Not too much of a surprise, with them, getting back in the game. Now, if we scroll down, here we have, we can keep track of the ETF year-to-date performance. So take a look at the tonnage in global inflows versus outflows, and pretty much this column here. We have inflows, and then we have outflows. Now, we have 1,040.7 tons of inflows. We have 37.4 in outflows. Now that outflows number barely makes a difference, as far as tonnage is concerned. For dollars, obviously it does, and that's likely due to the European region selling at pretty much, the height of gold prices back in August. So let's scroll down again to Q3 performance. Now, North America takes the lead here in its gold acquisition, followed by Europe, Asia, and then we have other. At the bottom of the report here, the World Gold Council actually offers what they will be monitoring regarding continued gold investment. So here it is in the looking ahead section. Numerous catalysts for market volatility in the fourth quarter. U.S. election, political posturing, potential no-deal Brexit trade deal, and of course the recent uptick in the what we call here the Ronies. On the flip side, Chinese economic numbers looked better heading into the holiday season, and the solid monsoon season could spur demand in India as well. Finally, global monetary policy continues to suggest a longer period of low rates, with the allowance of inflation running hotter for longer. These highlight gold's improving opportunity cost. And obviously, for us on this channel, we don't really need much in order to kind of get in on gold and silver. But it is nice to see that, we have these, pretty much a multivariate, multivariate reasoning behind why it would be strategic to get into gold and silver. And of course, particularly with this article, it's gold. But guys, let me know what you think about these Q3 numbers. I just wanted to do a quick video about it as far as ETF demand is concerned. Thanks again for watching. Please hit that like button. Please subscribe if you're new. It's Black Bullion for goldandsilvertoday.com.